Question number 3. A hybrid car has an electric motor and a petrol engine. 3.1 is an year 1 question, and this question is from the topic of national and global energy resources. 3.1 is petrol is a non-renewable energy resource. The important information is non-renewable. What is meant by non-renewable energy resource? Non-renewable mean that we can't get it back after using, or that resource cannot be replenished again. Let's see the modern answer. The energy resource that will run out one day or that will finish one day and we can't get it back. Students should not write the word reused. Instead of writing reuse, they have to write that they can't get it back. 3.2 is an AO2 question, and this question is from the concept of power. The electric motor in the car is powered by a battery. To charge the battery, the car is plugged into the main supply at 230 volts. The potential difference is given 230 volts. The power used to charge the battery is 6.9 kilowatts. So the power is given, but it is in kilowatts. We need to convert kilowatts into watts by multiplying by 1000. It is 4-mark question. Therefore, the units must be the SI units. Calculate the current used to charge the battery. The power which is given here in our question is 6.9 kilowatts to charge the battery. We already converted kilowatts into watts by multiplying by 1000. 6.9 into 1000, it becomes 6900 watts. The potential difference is already given 230 volts. The potential difference is given. We need to find the current which is used to charge the battery. Student must know the relation between power, potential difference, and the current. We know that power is equal to current into potential difference. We have the value of power 6900, which we're going to use here. The value of potential difference will be used here, and there is 1 mark for substituting the values, 1 mark for converting the units. This 230 is go on the other side to make current as a subject. At the end, we know that I is equal to 30 amperes. Student needs to do all these steps to get marks 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3.3 is an A1 question, which is a knowledge based question. The main electricity is an AC supply. AC means alternating current. And this question is from the concept of direct and alternating potential difference. Explain the difference between the direct and alternating potential difference. The difference between the alternating potential difference and the direct potential difference is that in alternating potential difference, the current changes the direction, or the direction of the potential difference it changes. Whereas in the direct potential difference, the direction of the potential difference does not change. If we have the direct potential difference, if we draw it, and this is positive and this is negative, the direction of the potential difference is always positive. Whereas in alternating potential difference, this is positive, this is negative, it changes from positive to negative. So this is the main difference, that in direct potential difference, the direction of the potential difference does not change, it always remains positive. Whereas for the alternating potential difference, it always changes between positive and negative. Let's see the model answer. Direct potential difference, or the current, does not change the direction, it always in one direction or in the same direction, like this one. Whereas in the alternating potential difference, the current always changes directions. It means that in alternating potential difference, the current changes the direction from positive to negative, then negative to positive. 3.4 is a near one question, and this question is from the concept of power and efficiency. The cable used to connect the car to the mains electricity supply has low resistance. The information is given low resistance. Explain why it is better to use a cable with low resistance than to use a cable with a high resistance. So it will be easy for the current to flow from the main power supply to the battery, and less energy is wasted, and there is less resistance in the wire, means there is less potential difference across it. Let's see the model answer. Low resistance of the cable, it means that it is more efficient in charging the battery because more current will flow through the wire and less energy is wasted. There is less potential difference across the cable, means there is less resistance and the battery doesn't waste its energy through the cable because there is less resistance and current will flow and less energy is wasted through the wire.